I've got a confession to make. I was starting to feel a bit guilty here. You know, I'm being honest. I'm being transparent. In front of me, I mean, you know this product. This product became such a meme. It's like, it's crazy how it picked up steam after the fact, after it came out. I mean, when it came out, there were jokes about it. There was a lot of talk about this little dental floss. Like I said, I mean, it's almost exactly like a dental floss case. What does it think it's doing? What does it think it is? Why does it have a $160 price tag? This is, of course, the Apple AirPods. Now, when that came out, I made some comments. You know, I was like, I don't really like this thing that much. I'm not getting a ton of volume. Now, it's probably better for my hearing in the long run, but I like a thump to it, you know? Sound quality's not there. There's not a lot of isolation. I can say the sound, I'm not happy with the sound. The convenience is an A+, though. There's just way better headphones out there and way better value out there. So I kind of said that in that video, and I continued to say that for a little while, but these things, they stuck around. They were in my bag from time to time. They were at home. They went a few places with me. And so the problem with that is I started to think, wait, I told people I don't really like these things, but here I am using them. I felt like I had to sit down and just set it straight. I've been using the AirPods and kind of enjoying it. I have some reasons for it. They are not perfect. They're still not great, and I still would not recommend them at this price point for most people that are in the headphone market looking for some new headphones. I still wouldn't. But yes, I reach for these things frequently. And in most circumstances, I actually prefer them to other headphone options, even though I don't use an iPhone. What is it? It's an S10 right now. But even before that, with the OnePlus, and as I mentioned before, with the laptop. So what is it? What's special about these? Well, man, Apple really did something here in terms of the package, in terms of fit and finish, the scale, the convenience factor. Never mind sound, isolation, bass. It's not here, all right? That's not what these things are about. Now you're saying, wait a second, they're headphones. How can you not evaluate them on those parameters? I do a lot of listening to spoken word, audio, podcasts, and that's where these things really shine, is you just need some audio wirelessly in a very small package that's convenient, charged up, fits in your pocket. There's really not a great alternative that I'm yet aware of. Now, there are other products that are fully wireless like this that have little charge cases. I've talked about them. Some of them have features better than what's offered on here, but they all give up a little something. For example, the wireless earbud style that sits further in the ear, improvement in sound quality, improvement in sound isolation. But the problem, the in and out function. You pop it in, it's a bit of a crank. You kind of get it set in there. This guy over here, it's a casual endeavor. It's like nothing. What did you say? Oh, okay, cool, see you later. Now this earbud is not gonna fit everyone, and it looks wacky and wonky, and when you see him out in public, you're like, who does this guy think he is? You can't help it. For whatever reason, this is the design. We're just having to live with it. But that design gives you some positive aspects, like the form factor. Like I said earlier, this is tiny. I need to give you a warning here, even though this is a confession video about me actually using these things. However, reluctantly, there have been circumstances where these were in my bag and I wanted to die. There was a time at a coffee shop, for example, there was an obnoxious conversation going on over my shoulder. It was all, yeah, go on. I was dying. And since they do very little to isolate external noise, there was nothing I could do about it. I couldn't crank them up anymore. Similar circumstances where I have access to real noise canceling headphones like the Sony's, I can't hear anything. The conversation behind me doesn't matter at all. So these are not a replacement for that. But somehow, some way, in so many circumstances, I just end up reaching for these, and I felt that it was important to let you know. Now, the real question is at this point, what's Apple gonna do for version number 2? I think the popularity of this product possibly even surprised them. Still not certain exactly why I keep reaching for these, but it's the truth. I do, and you deserve the truth.